Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet these pretty earrings with little hanging beads. It's a quite easy and a beginner friendly tutorial. Also, you can crochet these earrings with any yarn color that matches up with your outfit. So let's start the tutorial. So let's see what all materials we need in order to crochet these earrings. A 2.5 mm crochet hook, a 3-ply cotton yarn of any color as per your choice, few beads. See to that the beads that you have chosen is of same color as of the yarn taken, earring hooks, plastic hoops with the outer diameter of 3.2 cm and the inner diameter of 2 cm. You can go for a smaller or a bigger size of hoop, but the measurements that I will be mentioning in this tutorial would be specific to this size. So you can accordingly crochet depending upon the size of the hoop that you have taken, and scissors. So let's begin. Now before starting up with the earrings, insert a few beads, say about 15 to 20 beads into the yarn using a beading needle. Now let's start up with the earrings. First make a slip knot. Insert your hook into the ring in this way and pull up the yarn and work one chain. Now we'll be working single crochets all around this hoop. So going beneath the ring like this, pull up the yarn and work the first single crochet. Again insert your hook beneath the ring, pull up the yarn and work a single crochet. So this will be repeating till you cover up the ring completely. Now one thing that you should remember is that whether you go for a smaller ring or a larger size of ring, see to that the number of single crochets that you work around the ring is in the multiple of 3. So just continue working single crochets all around the ring. So as you can see, all around the ring I have worked single crochets and the total count of single crochets worked are 42. So in order to complete the round, first work a slip stitch. So that completes the first round. Now for the second round, we'll be dividing these 42 single crochets into 3 equal groups. So into the first 14 single crochets, we'll be working slip stitches. Into the next 14 single crochets, we'll be inserting the beads, and into the last group of 14 single crochets, again we'll be working slip stitches. Now as I mentioned before, no matter how many single crochets you have worked around the ring, see to that it's a multiple of 3 and divide them accordingly and crochet the earrings as I'll be doing over here. So I worked the first slip stitch. Now we'll be working 13 more slip stitches. So I have worked 14 slip stitches. Now into the next 14 stitches we'll be inserting the beads. So for that, first work one chain. Insert a bead. Again work one chain. Work one more chain. Now work a slip stitch into the next stitch. So we have inserted the first bead. In similar way, we need to insert 13 more beads. So the sequence is first work one chain, insert a bead followed by one chain and work one more chain and slip stitch into the next stitch. So you will be repeating this sequence for 12 more times. Here into the 14 single crochets I have inserted 14 beads. Now into the last 14 single crochets we will be working slip stitches. So in total I have worked 14 slip stitches. Now work a final slip stitch into the first stitch and cut the yarn. Now just weave in this yarn on the back side. Now we will be adding this earring hook on the top part using pliers. So in similar way I have worked one more earring. So that completes our earring tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful and interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.